All right, Rory, a number is made up of digits, and digits are just symbols that mathematicians use.
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Do you know some symbols for numbers? Can you write down some of the digits that you know?
I said them out.
What are some digits that you know?
I said them out. I mean, these are all the numbers.
So those are 2 digits that you've made. I just want 1-digit numbers. So you made 2 digits. Do you know what number that is?
No.
That you wrote down?
Yes, 11.
Good job.
I got 1.
Oliver, you promised you'd be quiet. Okay, erase that, Rory, and write out some other symbols that you know, some 1-digit numbers that you know. Ooh, what digit is that?
0.
0 is a 1-digit number, and it means nothing. Okay, what's another symbol you know?
These. Is there any 6s?
Are there any 6s? Yeah, 6 is a digit and a symbol. Can you write the number 6 down?
Yes, sure. I can draw a perfect 6 if I know how to draw it. Number.
Okay, draw it down. Good, Rory. So there's some numbers that have 2 digits. Can you think of a 2-digit number?
I already wrote down a 2-digit number.
You did. Can you write down a different one?
Brown. Like Mrs. Brown.
That is a 2-digit number. And what number is that? Do you know what that is?
2.
Oh,
2
that's the
and
number
2.
22. Let's think of a smaller 2-digit number. What number is that?
12.
12, good. What I would like you to do is I would like you to build the number 12 on the rekenreks. Can you count out loud while you're doing it? Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ooh, that's only 10. I want 12.
11, 12.
Amazing. So what can you say about the number 12? I see 2 parts. What are the 2 parts that make up the number 12?
2 5s and 1 2.
That's such a great way. Can I write that down for you?
Sure.
So you said 12 is the same as 5 and 2. There's another way to think about it. You have 1 whole part here and 1 part there. So what is this whole part? Instead of 5s, what could you say about that whole thing?
It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, 10. And what's the other part?
And it can thus go 1, 2.
10 and 2 is the same thing as 12. Now notice here that we're adding. Mathematicians have added 10 to 2. We can use this using our numbers as well. Watch what happens. If I take the number 10 and I put the number 2, I've created the number 12. But I want to show all of our friends how that is different than this. How is 12, a 2-digit number, different than this? Let's leave this rekenreks that shows 12, and can you show me on this rekenreks what 1 and 2 equal? So what do 1 and 2 equal?
3.
Oh, so notice that a 2-digit number is not made by pushing 2 digits together. Instead, it's made by making the number 10 and adding a few more. All right, Rory, use your rekenreks to count out 15. Let's see 15.
Okay, so I have to do 1.
You can do it however you like. If you'd like to count by 1s, that's okay. If you want to count by 5s, that's okay.
1, 2,
Good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Amazing, you made 15. So 15 is made up of one row that is, what is that top row? How many are in the top row? Do you remember?
10.
10. One row is always equal to 10. And what did you add on the bottom? Notice you shouldn't have to count one by one if you know.
5.
Yes. How did you know that was 5? How did you know that was 5?
Counted in my brain.
Oh, counted in your brain. And knowing the rekenrek, if they're all the one beads of one color, that equals 5. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So the two digits are 1 and 5. Can you make it using these numbers? Can you show me what 15 is using our numbers?
Okay.
So you're going to do the exact same thing as here. You're going to join a 10 with a 5. Now the reason we put it over here, this is actually a 3-digit number, but we're making a 2-digit number. So we have 5 ones plus 10. 5 plus 10 equals 15. All right, Rory. So Rory earlier drew this big castle, right? I guess he cut it out. And I put numbers on there to indicate different floors in the castle. Rory, if you start on the bottom, what floor are you on?
1.
Good. And can you count up the floors?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good. Do you see any patterns of numbers that repeat? What do you notice?
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all the way to the top.
That's right. And notice it starts at what number?
10.
10. 10 is such an important number. And the reason that happens is because 11 is 10 and 1 more. 12, you showed me on the rekenrek, was this and how many more?
5.
10 and?
10 and 2.
10 and 2 more. Oh, interesting. What is 13 then? Look for our patterns here. 11 was 10 and 1 more. 12 was 10 and 2 more. What do you think 13 is? Do you think it has a 10 in it?
1 and 3 more.
Ah, so let's show on our rekenrek on this one. You just said it was 1 and 3 more. Can you sit up properly, please?
Sure.
1 and 3 more. Show me on this rekenrek what 1 and 3 is.
Mama, you're not supposed to draw it.
Oh, that's okay. We'll erase it afterwards. Can you show me on your rekenrek what 1 and 3 more are?
1, 3.
Ah, so do it on 2 rows like this. You're right. 1 and show me 3 more on the bottom.
3.
So how many is 1 and 3?
4.
Oh, so I don't think 13 is the same as 4, do you? So show me on this rekenrek what 13 would be. There's 10 on the top. How many on the bottom to make 13? 10, 11, 12. Oh, so how many more is it?
3.
10
2.
and 3 more.
10 and 3 more.
Oh, so what do you think 14 is? You did it! So what is 14? What's one part?
10.
And what's the other part?
4.
Oh, 10 and 4 more. What about 15?
Okay, this is easy.
It is good. What do you think?
10.
Yes, and? You built it.
5.
10 and 5 more. So do you see another pattern here? You notice that these all have 10s. And look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, I do.
Good job. And you also noticed 10 and or 15 is 10 and 5, and that's completely different from 1 and 5. Show me on which rekenrek we're using. This rekenrek, what 1 and 5 would look like.
1, 5.
Ah, good. So you did it all in one row. So 1 and 5 is what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. And that's completely different from the 2-digit number 15. So when we have 2-digit numbers, it's made by adding 10 and some more. But 1-digit numbers are something different.